Well, it's day 29 on the 9th of September, and we're up in a field called College and Parks. And it's probably one of the largest fields we've got on the farm. It's about 28 hectares. And it's got some cracking views over Tewkesbury, the white sort of roof buildings in that direction, Cheltenham just behind that hill in that direction. And we're cutting some Invicta up here, which is holding up remarkably well, considering all the weather that it's had on it. This area here is getting a little bit bashed around. You've got deer tracks that you can just see heading off in that direction and round over there. We've got some badger sets up here as well, but we've got a nice little one of our environmental features as part of our higher level stewardship, which is a beetle bank. And on the side nearest us we have got a 6-metre pollen and nectar strip to provide insects for farmland bird species to basically feed on. And then we have also got on the other side of that a wild bird food mixture as well to provide overwintered food. And this is a really tricky bit of the field here because we're right over on a brow. So we've got actually a demonstrator combine that I'm driving at the moment. This is a Hillmaster with a 35-foot header on it, and it's leaving a very long stubble on that side and not much of a stubble on that side. You can just see it just catching up on the header there. There's lots of stones here as well, so we have to just watch out and go very, very carefully in this part of the field, so not going very fast at all. You can see the damage that the wildlife do up here, but most of them are the brown hare just running up the tram line there, so it's all about managing the environment, isn't it? It's great to see brown hare around, fantastic bat species, the biodiversity action plan, which means in some parts of the world they're in danger, but then we've also got lots of deer which we need to control, and we've also got lots of badgers, which again we need to control those as well. So it's all about a balanced wildlife and producing food in that same environment. So demonstrator combine, this is a Hillmaster. We had it out earlier on some spring barley, but I wanted to try it on some wheat as well, just to see how it performed. Got the new X header, which is the sort of the varying cutter bar that you can extend backwards and forwards depending on the size of the crop. And it's quite interesting just looking at the chopping capabilities as well of a combine like this, with a slightly wider header, just to have a look at the chop quality and the distance that it's able to throw it as well, just to see how that compares with our current machine. So we didn't get going very early again today. The weather is proving a little tricky. Heavy dews. Yeah, heavy dews and overcast. Not a lot of sun. Moisture was about 17% when we started. Yeah, it's just proving a bit of a long and drawn out end to harvest really at the moment. But there we go, nearly there. A couple of days left to go. Well, hopefully we'll finish wheat tomorrow. Well, I've been saying that for a day or two. And then we've just got some beans to try and cut. You just see the angle that the header's moving at now, relative to the combine as we're going up this bank. The idea is to try and keep the combine sieve area as level as it can to optimise the performance and reduce the grain loss. So that's what a Hillmaster is all about.